Today, I'll show you how to fix MetaTrader 5 account login authorization failed. This error usually means MetaTrader 5 cannot confirm your login details with your broker's trading server. It can happen because of the wrong password, wrong server, an expired demo account, or a broker account that is not active yet. First, open MetaTrader 5. Go to File, then click Login to Trade Account. Now enter your trading account number carefully. Make sure you are using the account number from your broker, not your email address or client portal username. Next, enter your trading password. Check that caps lock is off, and if you copied the password, make sure there are no extra spaces before or after it. Now select the correct server. This is one of the most common causes of authorization failed errors. Your broker may have different servers for demo, real, live, or pro accounts. Look for the exact server name in the email you received from your broker or inside your broker dashboard. After entering the account number, password, and server, click OK. If the error still appears, reset your trading password from your broker's website or client portal. Then return to MetaTrader 5 and try logging in again with the new password. Also check whether your account is active. Demo accounts can expire, and real accounts may require identity verification before trading access is enabled. If you are trying to use MetaTrader 4 login details on MetaTrader 5, they will not work. Make sure your broker gave you an MT5 account specifically. Finally, restart MetaTrader 5 and check your internet connection. If nothing works, contact your broker and ask them to confirm your account number, server name, and account status. And that's it. You now know how to fix MetaTrader 5 account login authorization failed. Hope the tutorial was helpful. Subscribe to my channel and see you in the next video.